Oh, you're not ready for this. Welcome to the gearbox, where chainsaws roar, giants roll, and raw power meets smart, sustainable farming. Let's dive in. H61 aren't just machines. They're a match made in logging heaven. The 718 reaches out over 10 meters, grabs the tree like a mechanical arm from the future, and then the H61 gets to work. Chop, chop, done. This combo increases productivity by up to 40% while reducing fuel consumption. That's working smarter, not harder. If you ever see a tree leaning like it's had too much to drink, step back. That thing's a serious hazard. Let the professionals handle it. They've got the training and, more importantly, the gear to bring it down without turning the job site into a disaster movie. This is earned. No diesel, no drama, just pure backyard brilliance. Forget what you knew about debarking. The VK debarker uses a spiral cutting system with 4 independently adjustable blades. It handles logs between 20 and 55 centimeters in diameter and processes 15. One wrong move, 1 second too late, and it's a disaster. This is wild. The 48C Firewood processor is built in Eastern Europe and pushes out 115 horsepower. With 48 razor-sharp blades and a cabin that looks like it belongs on a yacht, this isn't a splitter. It's a log-slaying luxury machine. You want to dominate your woodpile like a boss? This is how you do it. If moments like this give you chills, don't. That winch? Installed with surgical precision to protect the frame and drivetrain under tension. Every inch of this beast screams precision and strength. This is Scandinavian engineering tuned for forest battlefields, not Sunday drives. Steering a logging truck through mud and chaos takes more than just horsepower. Kenworth trucks are American icons. Their high-performance engines, like the Cummins ISX-15 or PACCAR MX-13, can unleash up to 600 horsepower and 2,050 pound-feet of torque. That raw power, paired with a Fuller Advantage transmission, guarantees rock-solid towing in brutal terrain. The signature long nose? Not just for show. It optimizes balance and slices drag, improving fuel economy by up to 7%. This isn't just a truck, it's a chrome beast on wheels. Delaying tree removal on unstable Oh yes, sometimes DIY tree pruning setups work like a charm. But sometimes, they are a complete disaster. And I mean disaster.
What if that lands on you, Brian? Huh? What if that lands on you? It won't.
One wrong cut, and that tree will fall on your fence, your house, or worse.
Whoops.
To write a check. Flying a helicopter isn't just flying, it's a ballet in the sky. Every movement of the cyclical pedals, the chopper, and the tail rotor must be in harmony like an orchestra. It takes thousands of hours to master the craft. You're not just watching a flight, you're watching magic being controlled. In New Zealand, transporting timber isn't just about horsepower, it's about compliance. Forestry Down Under isn't just about the trees. It's a logistical puzzle of engineering, law, and terrain. Finland's waterways have long been the country's green highways, and the Pilisjoki River that runs through Joensuu proves it. The method saves more than 60% on fuel compared to trucks and reduces emissions per mile. It's tradition meeting sustainability head-on. Wow, the Grohe GSW 40FRZW turbo splits meter logs with 40 tons of force, like it's slicing cake. Built for power and precision, it's the perfect blend of speed and sustainability. Surprised? Drop a 1 in the comments and let's build a greener future than your coffee cools. The LS37 Pro hits with 37 tons of force and needs just 7 seconds per cycle. It handles 24-inch logs like nothing, proving that today's hydraulic machines are built for comfort, speed, and sustainability. Thanks for watching. If you want more epic machines in action, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out what's next, right here on the Gearbox.